In this video, we delve into the intriguing topic of squirting, exploring its connection to female anatomy and physiology. Our aim is to shed light on the scientific aspects of squirting, providing viewers with a deeper understanding of this phenomenon. By examining the anatomy involved, we can better appreciate how various structures contribute to this experience, ultimately enhancing our knowledge of female sexual health. Understanding these elements is crucial, as it empowers individuals to engage in informed discussions about sexual wellness and pleasure. Additionally, we want to engage our audience by highlighting an exciting giveaway related to the Reena Malik MD podcast. This initiative not only promotes awareness but also encourages viewers to participate actively in their sexual health journey. By fostering a greater understanding of female anatomy, we hope to dispel myths and misconceptions surrounding squirting, paving the way for more open conversations about women's sexual experiences. Join us as we explore the science behind squirting, and don't forget to check out the details of our giveaway, which aims to further enrich your knowledge and appreciation of female sexual health. Your participation could lead to valuable insights and resources that enhance your understanding of this fascinating topic. Squirting, often referred to as female ejaculation, is a phenomenon characterized by the expulsion of fluid from the female body during sexual arousal or orgasm. It is essential to distinguish squirting from other forms of female ejaculation, as the two can involve different fluids and mechanisms. Squirting specifically involves the release of a larger volume of fluid, primarily originating from the Skene's glands, which are located near the urethra. These glands play a crucial role in producing the fluid that is expelled during squirting, contributing to the unique experience. The anatomy involved includes the urethra, which serves as the passageway for the fluid to exit the body. During squirting, the fluid is typically clear to slightly cloudy and can vary in volume, often ranging from a few milliliters to several ounces. This fluid composition is primarily made up of water, with traces of other substances such as urea and creatinine, similar to urine but distinct in its origin and purpose. Understanding these characteristics not only demystifies squirting but also highlights the complexity of female sexual anatomy, encouraging a more informed perspective on women's sexual health and experiences. To understand squirting, it's essential to explore the relevant female anatomy that contributes to this phenomenon. Central to female ejaculation are the urethra and Skene's glands, which are often referred to as the female prostate. The Skene's glands, located near the urethra, produce a fluid that is expelled during squirting, playing a vital role in this process. The urethra serves as the conduit for this fluid to exit the body, making it a crucial component of female ejaculation. Additionally, the clitoris, a highly sensitive organ, is significant in sexual arousal and climax. Its extensive network of nerve endings and erectile tissue contributes to heightened pleasure, often facilitating the conditions necessary for squirting to occur. Interestingly, there is an embryological relationship between male and female reproductive structures, as both originate from similar tissues during fetal development. This shared origin explains why certain anatomical features, such as the clitoris and the prostate, have analogous functions in sexual response. By understanding these anatomical components and their interconnections, we gain insight into the complexities of female sexual health and the physiological processes that contribute to squirting, ultimately fostering a more informed dialogue about women's sexual experiences. During sexual arousal, various types of fluids are emitted from the female body, each with distinct sources and purposes. It's important to differentiate between lubricant, female ejaculate, and squirting fluid. Lubricant is typically produced by the vaginal walls and serves to reduce friction during intercourse, enhancing comfort and pleasure. Female ejaculate, on the other hand, is a fluid released from the Skene's glands, which can occur during sexual arousal or orgasm, and is often associated with the experience of squirting. Squirting fluid, specifically, is a larger volume of fluid expelled through the urethra, primarily derived from the Skene's glands, and may contain a mix of water, urea, and other substances. Sexual arousal significantly impacts fluid production in the female body, as increased blood flow to the pelvic region stimulates the glands and tissues involved. This heightened state of arousal leads to physiological changes, including engorgement of the clitoris and increased lubrication in the vagina. During sexual climax, these processes intensify, resulting in the release of ejaculate or squirting fluid. Understanding these distinctions and physiological changes enhances our comprehension of female sexual health and the diverse experiences women may encounter during sexual activity. Exploring the theories regarding the origin of squirting fluid reveals a complex interplay of physiological factors. During squirting, the role of pelvic floor muscles and bladder contractions is crucial. The pelvic floor muscles contract rhythmically, which can help propel the fluid through the urethra, while simultaneous contractions of the bladder may contribute to the expulsion of fluid. This coordinated action is essential for the experience of squirting, highlighting the importance of muscle control in sexual response. Research findings on the chemical composition of squirting fluid indicate that it is distinct from urine, despite some overlap. Studies have shown that squirting fluid primarily consists of water, but it also contains substances such as urea, creatinine, and specific enzymes that are not typically found in urine. This unique composition supports the notion that squirting fluid originates from the Skene's glands rather than the bladder alone. Addressing common misconceptions, it is important to clarify that squirting is not solely urine. While some components may overlap, the fluid expelled during squirting is a product of sexual arousal and glandular secretion, rather than a simple release of urine. Understanding these nuances helps demystify squirting and promotes a more informed perspective on female sexual health. Key research studies investigating the nature of squirting have provided valuable insights into this phenomenon. One notable approach involved the use of ultrasound to examine bladder fluid levels before and after sexual activity. These studies aim to determine whether the fluid expelled during squirting originated from the bladder or other sources. Findings indicated that, in many cases, the bladder was not significantly filled prior to squirting, suggesting that the fluid was not merely urine but rather a distinct secretion from the Skene's glands. Another significant study utilized indigo carmine, a dye that helps differentiate between urine and other fluids. By administering this dye, researchers could track the source of the fluid expelled during squirting. The results indicated that the fluid contained minimal traces of the dye, further supporting the idea that squirting fluid is not solely derived from the bladder, but rather from glandular secretions. Despite these advancements, there remains a pressing need for more extensive research in this area. Many aspects of squirting, including its physiological mechanisms and variations among individuals, are still not fully understood. Continued investigation will enhance our comprehension of female sexual health and contribute to a more nuanced understanding of this complex phenomenon. In summary, we have explored the fascinating topic of squirting, emphasizing that it is distinct from urine and primarily involves contributions from the Skene's glands. This understanding helps to demystify the phenomenon and highlights the complexity of female sexual anatomy. By recognizing that squirting is not merely a release of urine, we can foster a more informed dialogue about female sexual health and experiences. We encourage viewers to reflect on their own experiences and feelings regarding squirting, as personal exploration can lead to greater understanding and empowerment in one's sexual journey. Your thoughts and insights are valuable, and we invite you to share them in the comments section below. Engaging with this topic can help create a supportive community where individuals feel comfortable discussing their experiences. If you found this video informative and engaging, Please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content on sexual health and wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may benefit from this information. Together, we can promote awareness and understanding of female sexual health, paving the way for open conversations and shared knowledge. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more topics with you in the future.